I'm at this Stop and Shop in Seymour, Connecticut, and look at this fire alarm fail. That's a wall mount on the ceiling. The ceiling mount on a wall, sorry. This is also a voiceover because the audio is completely junk. Fire alarm tornado, Stop and Shop near me. Yeah, we lock ASs and no fire systems. This one looks like it's seen better days. I'm ceiling mount ASs too. There's a fail over there. There with a ceiling mount on a wall. I'll find that video real quick. And check this out. I'm in a bathroom at a Stop and Shop. It's a Wheelock NS Hornstrom in here. So notifier smoke detector and ceiling mounted AS on the wall. That's beat up. Wall mounted. And wall mounts on the ceiling. I don't know, babe. I don't know.
Remember, they don't do food services on this place.
I know Velo doesn't do food services. Oh, heck yeah. I'll get the dilly bites.
You want the dilly bites and not the...
No, I want both.
Okay.
If you're wondering why we're talking of Velo, that's because I depart for Florida tomorrow. Hey, I think you dropped me.
Sorry, Lily. Let's go find bacon.
Yeah, well, I know something. There are 50,000 fire alarm fails in here.
That's great, Dylan.
Lobster. There's a adjustable module back there that just blinked. See? That's blinking. And there's a flow switch there. There's also more fails. I need a list of them.
No, because...
Wheelock AS Hornstroms.
Oh, fuck you and your cheese.
Ah, you gotta be kidding me. Wall mounts on ceilings, ceiling mounts on walls. NS is in bathrooms. Oh boy, another buzzsaw. What is this, a 737 now? And over there's the emergency exit. Missing fire. Ooh, hold on. Okay, I've actually never seen one of these in public. I forgot what that one is called. It looks like it's a remote strobe variant. I don't know. There's also an old notifier NBG12LX. There's a newer, but it's still old in the other part entrance. So I kind of forgot what that one was called, but so that's pretty cool. And back to the AS. So there's mashup of alarms. I don't even own a single one of these. Well, actually, I own the pole stations, so under a different name.
Where's butter?
Because I got NBG12LXs and I have a BG12LX.
Very expensive.
Also, these ones are notifier. Mine's Game Roll FCI.
Oh, mother! This Stop and Shop doesn't have a carrier.
Can I have my McDelivery thingy? Thingamajig?
Yep. Okay, cool, bye. At least now I don't have to eat ice cream and stop for the next week.
Yeah. Okay, that one's That one's correct. That one's a ceiling mount. That one's correct. Get the other one that quite actually showed isn't. Okay.
Oh, and I need egos.
It's right up the street. And here Diego's actually.
Cinnamon French toast pouches?
Where's another one? Those correct. Oh boy.
Toast waffles, so they only have the big box. I'm not getting.
I actually have heard only one Wheelock AS go off before. And that was at Cub Scouts 2024.
I need to get keys.
Okay.
And English muffins.
Yeah. That was
Get the hell out of here.
Yeah, that was 2024 when my grandpa accidentally swapped a smoke detector with a fog machine. And there's another one of those wall mounts. Anyways, here's another one of those wall mounts.
Walk in before I accidentally knock you over.
That one is definitely beat. Wow.
Watch out.
Excuse me. Oh, wow.
Alright, we gotta go back towards the deli.
Okay. Cool.
What is that thing?
This is so shaking. I'm freezing. Have my stuff.
Yeah, I was trying to see if we could use the smaller one because we won't need as much.
Yes, I do have it.
Okay, grab it and scan it. Alright, I'm at stop&Shop, so I'll talk to you later.
Where's the scan it
Alright.
customer thingy?
Okay. Refillable water bottle? Okay.
Hey, I could use my Colombian water bottle.
Okay. Okay. Alright.
We also got these interesting
Okay, cool.
sprinklers.
You're welcome. Bye.
Stop&Shop was definitely a bit of these. Like 7 face seizure. Take my headphones off. Yes, I do. Over there is a Dover Impulse. Or Eastern. Or even possibly a
You want this?
Yeah, small pack. There are also some old smoke detectors in the building. I don't see one that I can record at the moment. But I'll find one soon. Also, it's definitely freezing in here. I mean, freezing. Yeah, I recently found out that trick where I don't have to tap the. I just have to go click the power button. Oh, like they got cars. Yo, is that Jeff Goravette? That's just cereal. I don't need any cereal. What is that? I have no clue what that is. I don't know if that's a heat detector. When you got one. Another one does ASs, but that's the wall mount. Oh my god. It's a wall mount AS right there. And there's a ceiling mount on the wall. What the heck is wrong, Seymour? There's a whole different variant for that, and you still mess it up. Oh, looks like there's a L series up there. Ow. Got my hair pulled by the what truck? Okay, where's the A320 at? Dude, there's an Airbus somewhere. I actually have to use the bathroom, so I'm gonna head over there real quick. Look at that. That's the ceiling mount variant on the wall. Why is that heck up? There. Oh my god. There's one of those detectors. Stinks in here, but look at this. There's an NS horn strobe in here. Dude, it's called a ZNS or so. I'm not as ZRS or RSS sound back. I'm in a different part. Little archway. Deli. See any more there? She's covered on Fion. That's nice. That feels so nice. Yes, I'm still freezing. That's why I just walked up next to this thing. Some flies. Reference system. Ow. I thought that wasn't even too hot. Jeez, I just give myself a little tingle, jeez. Put an ice cube on there and that's immediately melting. Ow. Yo, is that an Exceeder? Hey, Sputnik. No, that's an AS. Actually, that might be a Exceeder. I don't know. Yeah, I'm like 90% sure that's an AS. It is. a hot bar.
Yeah,
It's not. Yeah, that's why I wasn't even gonna try it. So I know that's not gonna be as good as Big Y.
Alright.
Yeah, so I think the one I showed earlier
And you can
was an EH70. It just randomly popped into me. So, list of alarms. AS. No, wait.
right.
Nah. Actually, yeah. I can see Marty out in the distance. There's a duck detector thing. It's real old. Hold on, that one. That's the big stuff.
Did you see the one I bought for you? It's top.
If you're a scanning customer.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, that one's correct.
Grandpa, Winkle, Grandpa.
He. Express.
Yeah.
Number one's open.
Yeah, I know.
Someone left their scan it
If you
here.
are a Scan It customer,
No, it's to put
please
it.
scan the barcode on your Scan It or Scan It mobile device.
You're not.
If you are finished scanning, please touch Finish and Pay.
Confirm the seizure.
Thank you for using your card. Please scan any additional items now. Scan coupon now. Insert coupon into slot near the blinking light. Touch the Continue button if finished. If you are finished scanning, please touch Finish and Pay. If you are a Scan It customer, 249, savings 147, 249. Scan coupon now. Insert coupon into how many paper bags did you use? If you are finished scanning, please touch Finish and Pay. Your total is 1. Please wait. System processing. Please follow the instructions on the pin pad.
Oh, that's right. Okay, I'm sorry.
Please remember to take your receipt.
That's
Thank you for shopping at Stop&Shop near the blinking light.
Here's Dover Impulse. Okay. And there's a ceiling mount on the wall. And there's a old but new NBG12 LX. And there's one of those smokes. And there's a heat. I believe that's a heat at least. New combo. Oh, no alarms to meet out. Doors. It's great outdoors. It was pretty warm today. Let us even open. Yes, apparently. Aerial motion sensor. That's all right. Like, There's an executor up there. So, mainly wheel lock. EH7. I don't know if there's a ring camera on there. No, it's seen better days. Outdoor sprinkler.